In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Perplexity AI for coding. So this is going to be pretty easy. Now, what you need to do is simply put your code here. And if you want to create a code from scratch, simply type in here. Let's just say, write a code to make a tic-tac-toe game, right? And once you do that, it's going to be giving you the best answer. You can also define your language which you're going to be using. Could be CSS, and it generated in Python. You can tell it to do it in CSS. I'm sorry, CSS, not CSS. I should have typed do it in C++. Once you type in there, you can see it is going to be doing it in C++, and that is gonna be it. So if you want to modify something, let's just say you want to add some different digits or anything, then you can do that as well. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.